Welcome back. This is Troy Noonan, the Backpack Trader, and hopefully you had just finished watching the first two videos where I walked through the 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. mini session. Now we're going to speed forward through and see what happened during today's 11 a.m. mini session. I pretty much taught the whole thing. There's nothing more to really know except wait until we get to our start time. And you can see there's some nice price action in here, but these are not spotlight trades, so we just wait. Gray means flat. Spotlight is not trying to catch every move. It's only trying to catch the moves that give a high probability outcome. Patterns that we can trade and make money with, in other words. So here we are. It's after 11. There's a short trade, but gray means flat, so we're not interested. Never triggers in, and instead you get a long trade here, and that does trigger in. It triggers in, well, it sets up at 11.19. So there's nothing new to learn. The little plus sign is the entry. Maybe we move our entry up one tick to get it off the high, this little spike here. We could even go 2 ticks up to get it above this swing high. And that's not a bad idea because that could be resistance that pushes the price lower. So we make a little adjustment on the entry and we're asking for additional price action confirmation. Can the price push through this spike right here to get us into the trade? So that's normal to make a little 1 or 2 tick adjustment. You have to listen to what the price action is telling you and showing you on the chart. It does trigger in, however. Instead of at 41, it would be 43. Now, target 1 is too small. It has to be 10 ticks or more, especially after the 2 tick adjustment. So target 2 becomes target 1, and target 3 becomes target 2. So instead of a 14 tick target 1, it would be 12 ticks because of the 2 tick adjustment, and 17 ticks to the next target. All right, so that's kind of how that works, and it triggers in, and it quickly zooms up past the money management level and target, what is target 2, but now our target 1 for $120 a contract. Hits it perfectly on the head. And it's a little slower later in the morning. That took about 7 minutes. And then it pushed up through the next target. So there's the second objective. And that took a little longer. Right? Getting in at 11.19, hitting it around 11.28. So about 9 minutes, or 11 minutes, I should say. And then it came up and it hit target 4 perfectly. Target 4 is at 54.66, so anyone with additional positions. It hit 66 perfectly. We see that so often. These targets are calculated based on a very unique formula that is very accurate. It's tuning itself to market conditions, and you can see the perfect target before it comes down and stops out right here. And that's it. So another winning session. That's 3 in a row so far today, and the first trade of each session hitting the goals. That's what one and done means. Today, the 11 a.m. was also one and done. Okay, so if you've been following this short video series, you've seen the first 3 mini sessions all hitting their goals. Let's take a look at the final mini session that took place this afternoon at 1 p.m. I'll see you on the next video.